Okay, so hello everyone. Let's talk about how to make money during a crypto crash. So yeah, you can make more money even if the market is crashing, and that's going to be your number one skill. Supposed to be as a trader. Okay. And yeah, without further ado, let's go down and yeah, it's your most important skill. Make money during a crypto crash. Okay, so we'll talk about short selling. So it involves borrowing uh, crypto uh, from the from the exchange and then selling it at a price and then buying it back at a lower price. So you can borrow crypto from the exchange, but not all exchange allows you to do this. So I think Bybit does allow short selling, but I don't know if Coinbase does allow that. Anyway, this is how it works. So let's say this is the graph of this is Solana. This is Shiba Inu. So uh, the price go down and then it goes up and then it goes down again. So from here it goes down below the support, which is this one. Right? When the price of crypto goes down below the support, it will definitely go down like this. So what we're going to do is we borrow some 1,000 Shiba Inu or 1 million Shiba Inu from the exchange, and we sell it here, right? And we make money out of that, and then it will go down, and then we will buy again 1 million here, and then at a much lower price, and then send back the 1 million Shiba Inu we borrow from the exchange to make money, and then yeah. So when the price really go down, we make money on that crash, right? Because we sell here and we're selling something that we borrowed. But you can actually do that with your without borrowing the money from the exchange. Um, let's say I buy 1 million Shiba Inu here, right? I actually have 30 million. So let's say I buy 30 million Shiba Inu here. Price goes down here and then it goes up and then it breaks the resistance. So I know it's going down. And here I'm gonna sell uh, Shiba Inu, 30 million Shiba Inu, right? Prices go down and I'm gonna buy here. And this time I'm not going to buy um, 30 million, but I can afford 40 million because it's way much cheaper, right? So I gain position on Shiba Inu, and then when it goes back and then it goes up, I can definitely cover that loss, which is the same as this. But this time I will recover that loss, and this time I have 40 million position on Shiba Inu, which make me a lot richer when it goes up to the upper support here, right? This it will go up there. Or during or I can also sell from here and then buy again here and then it's going to form an M and then make a lot of money when the stock goes sideways. That's how short selling works. Even if you know your exchange doesn't allow you to borrow cryptocurrency, you can short sell your own crypto without the need of borrowing to from the exchange. So that's yeah. Again, you sell high and when you expect the price of so basically if assuming I buy 30 million Shiba Inu here and then the price go down and then I cut loss here, right? Because I know something's wrong and things going to be messy and I sell here and then everything goes down, I buy 40 million Shiba Inu here instead, okay? And then I just repeat the process. So every time the market collapse, I still make a lot of money. Swing trading. So this is another strategy that you need to learn. This strategy involves holding asset for short to medium term and capitalizing on the expected upward and downward swing. So this is what happened today, right? Crash right now. And basically, we have the same crash here and we have the same crash here, which is right. It's basically the same, but this is a period of 3 months. So let's say I buy crypto here and here and here and here, and I have, let's say, 2 million worth of 2 million worth of this is 4.5 million. 4.5 million worth of this is a Bitcoin chart, and from point 4.5 million it goes down to 3 to 4 million. So I lost 500,000. Basically, I don't care because I know this graph doesn't exist. So I don't know. I don't know what's going to happen, and this is the current time zone, and it's basically I don't care whether the market goes down or go up. I will just hold my position, even if the market is at 4, because I know, hoping that it will go up, and then it did, and it will go up. So, and then I'll just wait for the right time, maybe in the next 3 months, and as you can see, it makes 2x. My crypto is now 5 million if I hold my position. So during this fall, this my crypto is 6 million, and it falls here, and I really don't care because at some point in time I will go up. Okay, that's swing trading. Now you can combine swing trading with another strategy, or yeah, you can combine it with the dollar cost averaging, but this is a much longer strategy. So this is the same graph, Bitcoin versus PHP. So I'm going to buy Bitcoin no matter. Every month, every time I receive my salary, I'm gonna buy 5,000 US. If I invest 5,000 US here, and I invest on February another 5,000 US, then it's 10,000 US, and then it's 15,000 US. Another invest here at 5,000 US. So it's supposed to be that's going to be 15,000 US, right? But that's not the case because at this point in time, my money is 20,000 US. Why? Because this already has a capital gain. It the 10,000 I invested here, by that time it will double, and by April I still invest another 5,000, and supposed to be my investment is just 20,000, but this time it's not. It's around 40,000 US. And I keep on investing, and I don't care what the market's falling, or whether the market's falling or it's going up or going down. I don't care. What I want to do is just invest on Bitcoin and just invest on my position. And then when the right time comes, which is this time, I'm gonna sell my entire 1 year investment at $1 million, right? And I really, you know, gain a lot of money. Even if the market is falling, I don't care. I just invest 5,000 monthly. So yeah, I can make a lot of money here. It's called cost averaging. But but there's another strategy that you can do. Okay, so I invest 5 million. Let's say uh, cost averaging is investing a regular period of a regular amount, and it doesn't say regular amount, but assuming that's what you can afford, right? So we can further improve this strategy. So for example, I'm investing 5,000 US here. I'm investing 5,000 US, and then I'm investing 5,000 US and then it did fall here. So instead of investing 5,000 US, because the market falls, I'm gonna invest 10,000. And when it goes up, it will, you know, make a lot of gain because I'm investing more when the market is down. So, which is basically I'm buying my loss again, but that this will involve a lot of money. Okay, that's how you do the dollar cost averaging with different price range. So you invest regularly and you don't care whether the market, well, you will care about the market because when it's up, you invest a little, and then when it's down, you invest more. And then no matter, you are still buying. And then when the right time comes, you have a lot of millions of dollars. So it doesn't really care, we don't really care whether the market is going up or down. Content creation, okay, you create a lot of here in the YouTube, and market is crashing, you're going to be poor and things like that, and people will panic, and then they will watch your video. If you don't want to go down in history like that, you want to build content so that people will be, you reduce the fear and anxiety and make people happy, and then tell them what to do, and then market is crashing, and then okay, here's what we're going to do, and then people learn from you. At the same time, you make content, you make money out of that, and then you learn for yourself, and then you bring yourself out of your anxiety because, oh, okay, I have more strategy and more mature in terms of crypto, and I can do a lot. Even if the market is going to crash, I can still make a lot of money, which is favorable to me actually. And then the other one is you can also switch to passive income, right? So this is done by staking. So you can go to my referral link below. Um, that's a referral link to Coinbase. Coinbase is doing this. You can buy asset, and then it will give you dividend, and then no matter, really doesn't care when the market is going down or up, you're still earning from staking some money, and then that's gonna offset your loss. So just basically, I can buy Solana, for example, or DOT, or ETH, and it will earn interest. So the other strategy that you can do when the crypto is crashing is to invest in a trend resistant coin, which are your stable coins like USDC, USDT. It's going to be $1 no matter. But you can stake USDC, and it will earn 6% interest. So you can combine investing on resistant coins, which are stable coins like USDC, USDT. You have Euro coins, which is equivalent to Euro. And if you're in the Philippines, where peso is weaker than this currency, you can earn a lot of money, even if, because sure, it's a coin, and at the same time it's equivalent to its stable money equivalent. So it's equivalent to its dollar equivalent, it's equivalent to euro equivalent. So you can sell that when uh, Philippine peso go down, and that's a lot of money, right? If US dollars fluctuate up, so you still earn from, and then you can stake that, and then you start on staking, you earn on the currency exchange this time, forex, because it's stable coins like coins DC and euro c, they have that forex capability. Even if they are stable coins, they're stable, they're not fluctuating so often. Okay, that's all for now, and thank you. And just recap, you can do short selling. So when you know that the market is falling down of the support, you can sell it and then buy it back when the market actually crash, and then you make a lot of positions there doing that. And then swing trading is that you wait for, you know, we know that crypto does 33% increase anyway, so you just hold your position and it will increase, and you don't care about that crash, and wait for the right time and then sell it. Cost averaging, you invest whether the market's going up or going down, and when it's going down, invest more money, yeah, and wait for the right time to sell the crypto. And then you can create content creation, and which gives you revenue from YouTube, and you can actually sell your referral links, so you can do that. And then you can switch to passive income by staking, and you earn on this reward earning coin, and this is in Coinbase, and you can look at my Coinbase referral link if you want to create an account on Coinbase. And then invest in trend resistant coin, which are your stable coins. So USC, USDC, and USDT, which is equivalent to its stable currency equivalent. And then you can make change, or you can make profit on the forex. Okay, that's all for now, and enjoy the crypto crash and make more money. Thank you for watching.